Hello students, welcome in online classes. Myself Deepika. I hope you all are fine. So let's start today's class. In our previous class, we have learnt about properties of multiplication and I have given you one assignment. So first we will discuss about the answer key of that assignment. The first question was fill in the blanks by using the properties of multiplication. So see, in A, 3 multiplied by 15 is equal to, here we have missing number and here multiply by 3. So if you observe, this is depends on the order property. So 3 multiplied by 15, in missing number what does it come? 15 multiplied by 3. So if we multiply 3 multiplied by 15 or 15 multiplied by 3, the answer is same. Now here 16 multiplied by 28 is equal to 28 multiplied by 16 will come here. This is also depends on the order property. If we change the order of numbers, the product will remain the same. Now in C, 485 multiplied by, here we have missing digit and here in the answer we have 0. So this is depends on the multiplicative property of 0. If any number is multiplied by 0, the answer, the product is 0. Now in D, 9 multiplied by 97 plus missing digit was there. Now is equal to 9 multiplied by 97 plus 9 multiplied by 3. It means here what comes? This 3. Because here we separate the addends. Here we have two addends and here we separate the addends. Now in E, 11 multiplied by 37 plus 24. So here 11 multiplied by 37 plus 11 multiplied by 24. So this is the answer key of our previous assignment. Now at today's topic, we are on chapter number 4, multiplication. Today we will learn how we quickly multiply by 10, 100 and 1000. We observe that following rules when we multiply a number by 10, 100 and 1000. First we are starting to multiply a given number by 10. To multiply a given number by 10, put 1 0. In 10 we have 1 0. So put 1 0 on the right of the given number. Let's take example. 21 multiplied by 10. When we multiply 10 by 21, on the right side of 21, 1 0 will come. We will do directly multiplication. Because in 10 we have 1 0, so we will write directly 1 0 on the right side of the number. 526 multiplied by 10. So 526 we will add 1 0. We will put 1 0 on the right side. Now 7863 multiplied by 10. So 78,630. Here 1 0 we add just. Now the second is to multiply a given number by 100. Put 2 0 on the right of the given number. In 100 we have 2 0. So on the right side of a given number we will add only 2 zeros. Let's take example, 15 multiplied by 100. So we will write 15 and we put 2 0 on the right side. Because in 100 we have 2 0. In 10 we have 1 0. So we put 1 0. In 100 we have 2 zeros. So we put 2 0. Now 325 multiplied by 100. So we put 2 0 on the right of 325. So the answer is 32,500. Now to multiply a given number by 1000. In 1000 we have 3 zeros. So put 3 0 on the right of the given number. Example 35 multiplied by 1000. See how directly we will do this. We will write 35 only and we put 30 on the right side. We can directly find the answer. Now 575 multiplied by 1000. We will write 575 and then we put 30 on the right side. In this way we quickly do the multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. Now multiplication by multiples of 10, 100 and 1000. About multiples we will learn afterwards this chapter. But now I just tell you that a multiple of a number can be obtained by multiplying the number by any counting number. Like for example, if we want multiples of 10, so what to do? 10 multiplied by, the first multiple of 10 is 10. 10 multiplied by 1 is equal to 10. Now the second multiple of 10 is 10 multiplied by 2, it's 20. The third multiple of 10, 10 multiplied by 3 is equal to 30. The fourth multiple of 10, 10 multiplied by 4 is equal to 40. In simple language we can say the table of 10 is the multiple of 10, but multiples are so many. Now the multiples of 100 means the multiple of 100 is 100, 200, 300, 400. The multiples of 1000, so 1000, 2000, 3000. This is called multiples. So still we have learnt about how to multiply 10, 100 and 1000. Now we learn how to multiply by multiples of 10, 100 and 1000, means how to multiply by 20, 30, 40 directly. So let us study the following example to understand the multiplication by multiples of 10, 100 and 1000. We will understand by example. By multiples of 10. So as I told you that multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 as on means. Okay. So let's take example. Find the following product. Here we have to multiply 125 multiplied by 30. 30 is the multiple of 10. Now how to do directly? You see, it's too easy. 125 multiplied by 30 is equal to, what we will do? We will break this number 30. So we can break in 3 and 10. 3 multiplied by 10 is 30. So we break this number in 10 and 30. Now what to do? We will multiply 25 by 3 and then direct we will put 10. How it will be? First we will multiply 125 by 3. When we do multiplication, we start with the ones first. So 3 5s are 15. We have 2 digits. So 1 we will write here and 1 carry over. Now 3 multiplied by 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. And 3 1s are 3. So what comes? First 125 multiplied by 3. So what comes? 375. Now we have to multiply by 10. So we will do directly. We will just put 10 because in 10 we have 10. Let's take one more example. 224 multiplied by 20. So 224 we will break this 20. 2 multiplied by 10. If 2 multiplied by 10 it's 20. So 2 multiplied by 10. Now we will multiply 224 by 2. So when we multiply 224 by 2. 224 multiplied by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. So now 448 multiplied by 10. So we will do direct multiplication. We put 10 on the right side. So it's 4480. It means we have to break the given number and then we have to do multiplication. Now find the product by multiply 100. So we are taking one example. Find the product of the following: 23 multiplied by 200. Multiples of 100 is, the first multiple of 100 is 100, the second 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and as on. So see, 23 multiplied by 200. We will break this 200 in 2 and 100, because 2 multiplied by 100 is equal to 200. We have to multiply by 200. So we break this number in 2 and 100. So 23 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 100. First we will multiply both the number. So 23 multiplied by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Now 46 multiplied by 100. So we will do directly, just put 2 0. So by putting 0 we can got our answer 4600. So see, we have to multiply 23 by 200 and we made it easy. Now 184 multiplied by 500. 500 is multiple of 100. How we find this 500? 5 multiplied by 100 is equal to 500. So we will break this number. 184 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 100. So we multiply 184 by 5. 184 multiplied by 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 8s are 40 plus 2 42. So 2 here and 4 carry. 5 1s are 5 plus 4 9. So what comes? 920. Now we will put 2 0 on the right side of 920. So our answer is 92,000. So see how bigger number, bigger product we can find by doing the directly. Now by multiples of 1000. Find the product of the following. So multiples of 1000 are 2000. The first multiple of 1000 is 1000. Second 2000. Then 3000. 4000. 5000 and as on. 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000 as on. Now find, we have one example. Find the product of the following: 18 multiplied by 3000. We will break this 3000 in 3 multiplied by 1000. 3 multiplied by 1000, it's 3000. So we break this number in 3 multiplied by 1000. Now what we write? 18 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1000. Now in bracket 18 multiplied by 3. So 18 3s are 54. Now we have to multiply 54 by 1000. We will do directly multiplication. We will write 54 and then put 3 0 on the right side, because in 1000 we have 3 0. Now in B we have 17 multiplied by 5000. First we will break this 5000. 5 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 5000. So 17 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 1000. Now 17 multiplied by 5 and multiply by 1000. So first we will multiply 17 by 5. 17 5s are 85. Now 85 multiplied by 1000. We will do directly 85 and we put 3 0 on the right side. So in this way we can find the product. Now from the above example we observe the following general rules. So what is the general rule? Rule number 1. While multiplying a number by 20, 30, 40 as on, 50, 60 means 90, we multiply the number by while multiply a number by 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, we multiply the number by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 respectively and put 0 on the right of the product. Now the rule number 2, while multiplying a number by 200, 300, 400 as on, we multiply the number by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 respectively and put 2 zeros on the right of the product. While multiplying a number by 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000, we multiply the given number by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 respectively and put 3 zeros on the right of the product. It means we have to just multiply by one number and we can find the answer very quickly. We will multiply only by one number and then we put 1 0, 2 0 and 3 0. If we are multiplying by 10, the multiples of 10, we will put 1 0. If it's multiples of 100, we will put 2 0. If it's multiples of 1000, it means we have to put 3 0. Now today's assignment, find the product of the following. Try to solve mentally. Now 47 multiplied by 10, so you have to put only 1 0. Now 37 multiplied by 30, so break this number 30, this is the multiple of 10, so 3 multiplied by 10 and then 37 multiplied by 3 and whatever the answer will come, you just put 1 0. Now 306 multiplied by 200, so break this number 2 and 100, multiply 306 by 2 and then put 2 0. Here the same, you have to break 2000, here you have to do multiply by 1000, so you have to just put 3 0 and here you have to put just 2 0. So that's it for today. I hope you understand everything. Thank you and all the very best.